One thing that we do meet with inequalities that we never saw with equations is that we sometimes see inequalities where instead of just having one inequality symbol, we're using two inequality symbols to describe one quantity being between two others. So for example, we might see an inequality that says 3 is less than 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 7. Now recall, this only makes sense if two conditions are met. First, both inequalities have to go in the same direction. That means we can have less than and less than or equal to, or we can have greater than and greater than or equal to, but not both. And second, if we take out the middle, the left and the right have to have the relationship described. So in our example, 3 really is less than 7, so that's okay. If we saw 3 greater than x greater than 7, that's not okay, because 3 greater than 7 is false. So we should never see anything that looks like that. This one's okay, however. And suppose I wanted to solve this. The solution looks like another betweenness inequality with x in the middle. So I should have x less than maybe some number less than or equal to some other number. And perhaps in manipulating, I will have changed the direction of these symbols. When we have a betweenness inequality that looks like this, where we have a variable in the middle only, we have a shortcut method of solving these. We can manipulate all three sides, quote unquote, at once. So we can add 3 in the middle, on the left, and on the right. We'll get 6 is less than 2x is less than or equal to 10. And then we can multiply by 1/2 on the left, in the middle, and on the right. And we get 3 is less than x is less than or equal to 5, which is our solution. In the next video, we will see another method of approaching these, which may be a little bit easier to keep track of, and which we need if we're going to work with more complicated inequalities.